Crocodiles by Connor Brown. Slash, slash goes the crocodile as it kills its food. Croc's back skin is hard enough to deflect bullets just like bulletproof glass. Also, with teeth as sharp as a turkey knife. Hope you enjoy learning about a crocodile. Do you know what a crocodile looks like? They have scales and can be brown, black, green, tan, and gray, and usually white teeth. Also, their eyes are black. The size of a large croc can be 16 to 20 feet. Medium crocs 10 to 13 feet. That's still pretty big. Dwarf crocs, the smallest crocs, can be 5 to 6.5 feet. The body parts are 4 legs, 1 tail, 1 head, 2 eyes, 1 nose, and 1 body. Baby crocodiles start off 3 ounces but can grow to be nearly 1 ton. Crocodiles have cool body characteristics. Would you like to learn what a crocodile life cycle is? The stages of a crocodile are an egg, and then the mom carries the babies in her mouth and stays with them for 2 years. Next, it leaves its family and becomes a young adult. Eventually, it is an adult and has its own eggs. After a long life, scientists don't know how long they live in the wild, they die. The family has a mom, dad, and kids. A mom can lay a few to 60 eggs depending on its size. You may be surprised, but besides its mother's care, it has a 90 to 95% death rate. Crocodiles have a cool life cycle. Have you ever learned what crocs eat, how they get food, and how often they eat? Adults will eat snakes, buffalo, cattle, basically anything near the water, including humans. Juveniles eat insects, shellfish, and fish. They wait for their food to come and then move their head from side to side. Why they do this is because of their sensory organs, and they attack when they're activated. Crocodiles eat 55 times a year. 55 times a year is actually more than enough. Their food and nutrition is interesting. A habitat plays an important role in a crocodile's life. You can find one in South and Southeast Asia, Northern Australia, the Caribbean Islands, South and Central America, and Florida. Wow, that's a lot. Also, they don't migrate, so you can see them anytime, as long as the temperature is 50 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Their habitat is muddy swamps, dark green lakes, wide open dry land so they can roam around, and muddy riverbanks and lagoons. Crocodiles have lots of habitats. Would you like to learn about a crocodile's enemies and survival functions? They have keen eyesight, excellent hearing, and a good sense of smell. But with all that stuff, they still have enemies. Raccoons, the African fish eagle, and the white egret all eat baby crocs. When they grow up, they must be at the top of the food chain. Crocodiles are smart. They try to look like a dead log and have eyes and stuff above the water. Then the water camouflages them and they wait for prey to come. No wonder crocs live. That's pretty cool how they survive. Do you know any facts on crocodiles? Well, their back skin is very hard. How hard? Hard enough to deflect arrows, spears, and even bullets. That's really cool. Did you know crocs are more closely related to birds and dinosaurs than other reptiles? The bite force is more than 5,000 pounds each square inch? This is kind of funny, but males blow bubbles to warn off other male crocodiles. Crocodiles have interesting facts. The important thing about crocodiles is that it is fierce. It has big, sharp teeth. Its back skin is hard enough to deflect bullets. It will leave to get food, and they never stop growing. But the important thing about crocodiles is that they are fierce.